know, honey. I know, sweetie. Do it again so we can see if you're sicky. Oh, no, we're just going to scratch. You going to cough anymore? Oh. Oh, honey. Oh. So this is Maggie the terrier. She started this cough about, let's see, today is Thursday. I got her on Saturday. I think she started this cough on Tuesday sometime. She was on a 10-day dose of doxycycline, which I was told was for kennel cough. That was completed Wednesday morning, yesterday morning. And actually, if anything, the cough is significantly increasing. She's been coughing this particular time for about 6 minutes now. And this is after I gave her a spoon of, oh, she's not, well, maybe she's done, so you only heard a couple of the coughs. It's like a choking cough. She's not producing anything. There's no honking, there's no real wheezing, but it's like a gagging, choking cough. Oh, you feel any better? She's also very itchy, but I have no idea if that's connected to the cough.